Make it smaller?
No, that's really good. This is the fire hydrant. July 2011. We just played with that right there. Daniel just got here, that would be 10 minutes ago.
Go touch the hydrant. Go touch it. 2 points. Touch it. Go touch it. Go touch it.
Touch it, no.
That's actually pretty good for like a cheapy thing.
Yeah.
We have another one. Uncle, we have another.
No, we don't need another one.
Go touch it. I give you 2 points. Ready? Go.
1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Daniel, touch it. I give you 2
Touch
points.
it.
Hey!
I touched it.
You're winning.
I win.
Go touch it, Daniel.
I know, I'm gonna grab him. Here, Emerald, can you just videotape it?
I don't know how to do that.
No, just here, Rich. Can you videotape it? Your hands are dry? Yeah. That's all right. That's good.
Where you going, Noah? Why are you scared? It's not gonna bite you. No way, Jose. Oh! Daniel, go touch it. Ready? Go!
Is this better than the beach?
I gotta get lotion on my neck. You have some there?
I have the kid one.
Whatever, yeah, throw it on my neck. Go touch the hydrant, ready, go! Okay, Daniel, touch it now.
You need a lot.
Gotcha.
It was a long time ago.
No, not that long ago. What are you guys doing? What are you doing?